Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll explain how many videos you can generate with the Higgsfield AI free plan. First, the free plan usually gives you around 150 credits per month. These credits are used for generating images, videos, and other AI tools on the platform. When it comes to video generation, the number of videos depends on how many credits each video uses. Because the system charges credits based on the length and quality of the video, longer clips use more credits. On average, with the free credits, you can create about 3 to 5 videos per month, depending on the complexity and duration of each clip. Some estimates also suggest that the free credits could produce up to around 50 short video clips if you generate very small, low-credit clips instead of longer videos. So in simple terms, the free plan gives about 150 credits monthly. You can generate around 5 full videos or more short clips if each video is very short. And that's the basic limit of the Higgsfield AI free plan. If you found this quick guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials.